welcome back to Pink Oddbird. Today I am here with part 2 of my giveaway and a little journal share of a TN insert that I made for a customer. So I'm going to flip through both of these and then I will tell you what you need to do to enter the giveaway. If you already know, I've done part 1 of the giveaway, so this is going to be part 2 of my 2K giveaway. So thank you all for subscribing, and this is just a little way for me to be able to say thank you. Back to you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a look at this one first. I'm just flipping these together because they're both blue, so really no other reason than that. Obviously, this is a standard size TN. It's a fabric cover, and it's a seashell theme. And on the front, it's just a little collage here with some cheesecloth, and I'll link to the digital kits in the description box below because I'm not going to be able to keep up with all the ones that I've been using lately. So let's go ahead and flip through. So lots of journaling space in here. I use like seashells and lots of different kinds of blues. Little fabric piece there. These are little pieces. They can be glued down, or you can journal on those, or you can glue them down and make them like tuck spots. There's 3 charms. Here's the first. Really pretty like seashell kind of flower. Another journaling card. Some more little pieces of ephemera. This is some trim from Junk That Treasures. Her shop is not open at this time, but when it does open back up, she carries this really soft trim in her shop. Opens up for even more writing space. I have this little ephemera piece, and she can glue it down or back it with paper, however she wants to use it. This is a flip out here. Another journaling card. This pulls out for more writing space. Pages like this, you can leave them as they are because to me they help set the tone of what the theme of the book is, but you can always collage over these with like paper and journal on it, or put pictures over here, ticket stubs, things like that. That's what I do anyway. Another one of those ephemera pieces, a little seashell charm. Another ephemera piece here. Flips out for more writing space. Little fabric there. This is some scraps that I had, so just sew them together to make a little extra writing piece. I love this like water paper, it's so pretty. There's the center of the signature. I just stitched some ribbon on in different places. I use that mermaid paper. Flips out. This paper is pretty. It has like faint seashells, which you probably can't see on camera, but in person it's got like really faint seashells on it. So here I just had a little scrap, so I turned it into a tag. Same here. Same here. This one I backed on scrap of packaging. That's the other charm here. There's my stamp. another piece that she can collage down somewhere. And then this was also some scraps. I just left it in there just like this. And that's it. So that's this one, Seashells. Alright, let's take a look at this one. This one is going to be for my part 2 of my 2K giveaway. I just used some cardstock for the cover. I did another little collage here on the front with like 3 flowers here, one of them being a crochet flower. There's some trim and burlap pocket. And then I just have these 2 little tags inside. And then I just stitched around the perimeter. The edge is reinforced with masking tape, and then I just sewed along the edges on the front and back. So that's the front. On the inside, I have extra writing paper here. That's some vintage notebook paper. Washi tape to put this bag down, and then it's kind of stitched along the edges where I sewed. I have used some pretty sari silk in this book, as you can see on the spine. There's a tag here. There's a flip out, little scrap on the top there, and also paper clip charm here. So here I did a little calendar page, and it's gessoed on the other side, so you can write on this. So as you can see, just using lots of different kinds of papers, scraps, scrapbook paper, fabric, all the fun things that we do. This piece of lace there, super pretty. It's a vintage rose bowl paper. There's a petalobe. You can put this down in the book anywhere you want to. This is also a very delicate pocket, and there's some extra writing paper here I just stitched on. Cheesecloth here on the edge. Alright, so if you guys want to enter to win this book, all you have to do is leave me a comment below and, of course, be a subscriber. And this giveaway will be open until this date right here. So make sure that you get your entries in before that date. The winner will have 24 hours to contact me, and it is open internationally. Some more scraps. So this is going to be a fun little book for someone. Little piece of vellum here to journal in. Another one of those vintage photographs here. Index card. So as you can see, there's tons of space in here. Her Melinda tag. Some tickets. And then this little bag is held on by this little dragonfly, and so it can swivel out if you want a gesso or collage on there. Another tag. I love the sari silk so much. It's like transitional. It's so pretty. Here's the back of the book. There's my stamp. And this is just a little burlap pocket, and that's it. So, those are my 2 for today. I do have more coming up, so stay tuned for those. Again, I will put all the details for this giveaway in the description box, so be sure to check there, as well as the digital kits that I used for these. And so I'm going to go ahead and go. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for subscribing and watching and commenting. I love reading your comments and responding back to you guys. That's like one of my favorite things to do. So I'm going to go ahead and go for now. And be sure to tune in next time, because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is going in. So until next time, toodaloo.